How did we get here?
This place is crawling with monsters. Smells like birdseed. I never thought we'd be here for this long. We've survived hurricanes, trips to Hawaii, Puerto Rico, China, Japan, ticklish monsters. How many different ways can you learn the alphabet? Lots, apparently. Maybe we should have done that Raymond Carver play. How did we get here? How did we get to Sesame Street? Doesn't matter. You're the original. A movie star, remember? You can fly. Well, you can't really fly, but it sure feels like flying. So the next time you say, la la la, it'll explode in a million eardrums.